Yes, hello, good people. Uh, Today I'm very happy. Yes, because I want to start by giving you a very small, interesting story. Yeah, so basically, this story here will just help you learn just a few words in Kenya Sign Language. So just listen and you watch the story there. So the title it's friendship broken. So friendship broken. So the English used here is Kenya Sign Language. Basically, it's not sign exact English. So I'm going to start. Ago, cat, rat, both friends big, big together. One time, rat sick, cat help, rat work, all include big farm. Time harvest, rat cheat, cat hide, then harvest, all alone. Time cat aware this, angry a lot, punish rat, rat disappear from time this, cat hungry, then rat cat enemy big, time cat see rat chase always. Now story mine finish.